Okay, so I think I'm gonna go back into the woods. Cause the smoke is just in my eyes. So, hopefully I don't encounter any heart hunters this time. Unlike last time. That actually scared me. Anyways, I don't think I should be too worried. I mean, even though there's not really any way to, get away from a heart hunter, I managed to escape. So my plan is to just run the heck out of there and hopefully hope for the best. Oh boy. Oh gosh. So watch out for these plants there. Is this a dig out or something? That looks like something a heart hunter would live in. I do not want to be here. Oh well. I should probably better continue. So log. Oh well. Hopefully I'm not too far. Okay, random light that just plugged on. Wait a minute. Earlier today there were construction workers and they were doing something in this part of the Oh no. Anyway, so we got a green rope here. I guess most of them decided to take their stuff with them because there's not a whole lot in here. Shovel. And it's actually a pretty nice shovel. And a piece of paper. I wonder what this says. Her arrival is imminent. That looks like a ribcage of some sorts. Her body. And run. Oh no. Oh no. No. I really probably should, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh crap. Crap. No, it can't end like this. It can't end like this. It can't end like this. No. Please. No, it can't end like this. No, oh, for the love. No. Please. Oh. No. No. Let me go back to his voice again. No, please. No. Why? I could have died. Well, I now know to never, ever go back in that forest again. I'm just gonna return to the fire, and hopefully everything will just be normal. No Windows 95, no hard hunters, nothing.